Guided learning meets every student exactly where they are and grows them one step at a time. Pick a topic, and Solvi finds the perfect starting level for you. A few quick questions place you at just the right level. Never too easy, never too hard. This is your journey. Each stop is a small skill. Clear them one by one to reach your goal year. New skill? Solvi teaches it first with a clear worked example you can follow. Then you try it with a helpful hint whenever you need one. To master a level, get 5 correct in a row. Watch Solvi cross the stepping stones with you. Stuck? Tap Watch Lesson video and a short lesson plays right there. 5 in a row, level cleared, on to the next stop. And every day, a quick revisit keeps everything you've learned fresh, building your streak. Master your year, and the next one unlocks. That's guided learning. Solve it, maths.